Assalamualaikum. My name is Tengku Aris from Faculty of Engineering, campus Pasir Gudang. For this assessment, we from Group 5 have chosen application of differentiation in engineering field. So before I start my discussion today, I would like to introduce our group members. So the first is Alif, and the second is Shamirul Shah. And then the third is me, which is Tengku Haris. And then the fourth is Nadia. And then the fifth is Alia Nabila. So now we want to know what is differentiation, what is calculus, what are the things can be used by differentiation. So what is the differentiation? Differentiation is a mathematics process of finding the derivative of rate of change of a function. In contrast to the abstract nature of the theory behind it, the practical technique of differentiation can be carried out by purely algebraic manipulation using three basic derivatives for rules of operation and a knowledge of how to manipulate the function. In this section, we'll explain that it means by the gradient of a curve and introduce the differentiation as a method for finding the gradient at any point. So, how about what is calculus? Calculus is defined as the mathematical study of change that developed independently by Isaac Newton and Gottfried Wilhelm von Leibniz in the 17th century. The profession in which a knowledge of the mathematical and nature science gained by the study, experience and practice. Some engineers direct use of calculus in their daily practice and some use computer programs based on the calculus that simplify engineering design. So the next is two methods of calculus, differentiation and integration, are particularly useful in the practice of engineering and are generally used for optimization and summation respectively. So next, why we use differentiation in engineering field. Differentiation allows us to find rates of change. For example, it allows us to find the rate of change of velocity respect to the time, which also allows us to find the rate of change of x with respect to y, which on a graph of y against x is the gradient of the curve. There are a number of simple rules which can be used to allow us to differentiate many functions easily.
Problem statement. The wall shown is 8 feet high and stands 27 feet from the building. What is the length of the shortest straight beam that will reach to the side of building from ground outside the wall?
Hello, my name is Shamirul Shah. My student metric is 20214733146. Okay, I will continue the presentation on problem solution. Okay, let L equals to length of the beam. So the equation will be L square equals to Y square plus bracket X plus 27 bracket square. From the similar triangle, we will get Y over 27 plus X equals to Y over X. So we will make Y as the subject. So we'll move X on top and 27 plus X on top. We will get Y equals to 8 bracket 27 plus X bracket over X. So we will move Y to the original equation, and it will get, as you can see there, L square equals to bracket and so on. After that, to remove L square, we times both left and right with square root. So it will become L equals to bracket 8 blah 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 and so on, 0 less than x more than infinity, as you can see there. After that, from minimum L, we differentiate by dl over dx equals to 1 over 2 bracket blah 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 and so on, and then the answer will be dl over dx equals to 2 bracket 216 plus x over x times bracket negative 216 over x square bracket plus bracket x plus 27 bracket over 2 bracket 8 bracket 27 plus x bracket over x bracket to the power of 2 plus bracket x plus 27 bracket to the power of 2 bracket to the power of 1 over 2. Okay, I'll let Alia to continue on problem solution. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nura Alia Nabila binti Yusli and my matrix number is 2021841868. Okay, so I'm gonna start. As we can see here, we will have this equation this result. We'll do multiplying, some adding up, and we will get the result as below. So next, dl over dx equals to 0. As you can see, we substitute that to the equation, so that all equals to 0. And then we multiply both sides by the denominator to simplify everything, to make everything simple, and we don't have a lot of numbers to work with. So we can have our numerator to equal to 0. After that, we will have our final result, and what we can do is use the trial and error rule to get our x value, which is gonna equal to x equal to 12 feet, and that is our final values. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Nurunadia binti Nura Zaman. My matric number is 2021854844. Now, I will continue with conclusion. The above situation asks to find the shortest length of beam that will reach to the side of the building from the ground outside the wall. In conclusion, using the application of differentiation can solve the problem resulting from the above situation. Is it clear that differentiation can find the derivative of a function by using algebraic manipulation, using 3 basic derivatives, 4 rules of operation, and a knowledge of how to manipulate function can carry out the particle technique of differentiation?